What's up, guys? We're back in the video, and today back with another video. Now today I'm just gonna be this is a bit of odd video. It's not really specific. I just felt like I just felt the urge to make this video. It popped in my head. I'll give you guys my take on CS:GO skins and what I prefer and how you can save some money and how you can basically appreciate the skins that you have just using what I call the Stattrak trick, I guess you could call it. Basically, a lot of my skins in my inventory are Stattrak guns. So my first ever Desert Eagle, second Desert Eagle, I think I had another one before this. But you'll see if you look in my inventory, a lot of my guns are Stattrak, except for some of the more, well, damn, this Primal Saber is actually not that expensive anymore. But I remember this used to be 12 bucks or something like that. But a lot of my main guns are Stattrak guns like this. Wow. So this AK went up. This AK used to be 16 bucks. I'm behind. I haven't looked at my inventory so long. It's crazy. But I'm gonna tell you guys basically my take on skins, and I'm gonna make another video on how you guys can save a lot of money on skins using the field tested trick. Super cool. Be sure to stay tuned for that. But before I begin this video, just quick. I'm gonna try to keep this under a minute. But quick shout out to you guys. My Steam profile video is at 4,000 views. Insane. Thank you guys for all the support. If you want to keep supporting me, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below, and hit the bell if you want to check and see when my videos are coming out. Now, just to give you guys basically the point of this video, for me, I personally prefer Stattrak weapons for a number of reasons. Number one, I feel like when you buy a Stattrak gun, it's like an investment. So take, for example, let's look at the AK-47s, right? You can look at any skin you want. Like, I know they get expensive, I know, trust me, I know. But even like the lower level one, if you get a Stattrak gun, I feel like you'll learn to appreciate it more because you're building the kills on it and you'll want to keep it longer. And that's the reason why I have two AKs in my inventory. I have a elite build and I have a redline. The redline is my main one. The elite build is just a backup. So in case when I want to get an upgraded AK, which I'm probably not going to get. I think all I did on this gun was upgrade the stickers. That was it. But when I want to get an upgraded gun, I can transfer my kills over and then put them back on there. But basically, I just feel like, I don't know. I just feel like if you get Stattrak, you'll want to, you'll feel more attached to the gun. That's just my personal experience. Throughout myself, when I've been playing CSGO, I was before I got basically the inventory that I have now, I used to have a bunch of skins. So I had this Man of War, I don't think it was Stattrak. I had the Cyrex, is a Stattrak. Royal Paladin M4 is my favorite skin, still not Stattrak. Every one of these guns is not Stattrak, right? But I eventually got rid of basically all of these. The only ones that I kept, the skin, I don't think I kept any of these. I still have the P250 wing shot, but I just have it in Stattrak form. I still like this Ghost Crusader, I may get that. And yeah, I still had my Stattrak Desert Eagle, and I want to get this imprint back. But just to give you guys an example, I had this stuff, right? I had skins, you know, I invested a lot of money into it, but I still didn't feel satisfied because I was holding on to the skin. Like, basically, I was holding on to my liking of the skin, and there was nothing keeping me attached to the gun. I guess another factor I could throw in is that I don't really care about skins that much anymore. But not only that, I feel like when you get a Stattrak weapon and you're racking up your kills and stuff like that, you feel more attached to it because you're like, I've had this gun for a minute. You know, even when people pick it up, they notice, they look at your AK. It doesn't even have to be the best looking AK. Like the Redline is definitely not the best looking AK. I would say the Case Hardened or the Fuel Injector or some of the newer ones that I've seen. They even see how many kills you got, and they may not say it, but they're probably like, damn, this guy got like 5,000 kills on this gun, you know what I mean? And then like that even resonates with you, even if you didn't get it through normal play. Like if you got it through deathmatch, which I didn't get mine through deathmatch. All of my kills were through normal play, and I think I have like a 3,000 something like that on my AK. But like that resonates with me more than a fancy skin, you know what I mean? I could have $100 skin in my inventory right now, and I would take that 80 bucks or 70 bucks I get back in a heartbeat and get a Redline with Stattrak on it if it had 3,000 kills on it that I got. Because it's just it means more to me. You know, also, I wanted to add this point in. I don't know where I'm gonna put it in the video, but I just wanted to make the point that when you're using like Stattrak guns and stuff like that, I feel like every gun and every skin has a story to it. Like when you get it and you hold on to it for a long time, that's one thing that you don't think about when you're doing it, but later on down the line you realize it. Like a good example I'll give you is these two guns right here, or these three guns. So this USPS stainless, right? I named it Ice Cold Zero back when I used to watch esports and like that all the time. I was like, oh, it would be punny or funny or whatever if I put the Cold Zero skin on it. It matches. I used to match the if you look at these pistols, not this one, but I used to match the stickers with the gun. That's I used to like the color scheme. But with this one, I was like, oh, it would be punny or funny if I add the Cold Zero sticker on it, name it Ice Cold Zero. You know what I mean? Just trying to be funny. Or like this gun, for example. This is the first M4 skin that I got, and I just put 3 random color stickers on it because it's on a silver background. It doesn't matter what color you put, so I was like, let me throw 3 random stickers on there, and that resonates with me. I remember every time I use that gun, I'm like, I remember when I put these 3 random stickers. They don't match at all, but I remember, you know what I mean? And just the last one, this 5'7" monkey business. I remember I wanted this skin so bad because I was first finding out about skins, and I was like, this is sick, you know what I mean? Like, this is fire. So I saved up my little money and I bought it, and you know, I've had it for a very long time. So I just wanted to interject that point, you know, into the video. I really hope this resonates with you guys, and it kind of somewhat influence you to start getting Stattrak guns, even if they're lower level like skins. They don't have to be the best skin in the world. Just like, I feel like, back to my same point, I just feel like if it doesn't work for you, then that's fine. I'm just giving you guys my experience. Stattrak and those kills racking up, that resonates more with me than I could have a AWP hyper beast. It could be crazy. I could have whatever the most expensive AWP is, and I would take it back in a heartbeat if I could get my my elite build AWP back with 2450 kills. I'd take it instantly. You know what I mean? So that's just it. I just wanted to give you guys this quick video. Also, I'm gonna make a Documents app review, and I'm gonna bring you guys a video of the field testing. That's a cool trick that I've been doing when I used to do the CS:GO shit for real. I used to do that a lot, and you can save anywhere from a couple bucks to about $15. You can save a good amount of money doing the tricks. So if you're interested in that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, I just want to make this quick video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like down below, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks, guys.